Assalamualaikum and hi to everyone. Thank you for watching this video. So in this video, we will continue on the next session or part in the access method. Another method that we use for the multiple access, we call it as the control access. Before this, we already learned on the random access control. So this part is based on the control access protocol. So in control access, the station consult one another in order to find which station has the right in order to send the frame. So a station cannot send unless it has been authorized by the other stations or the other station permit them to send the frame. So there are two popular control access methods. So in this topic, we will discuss about the polling and the token passing. Refer to this figure, we have select and poll function in the polling access method. So this one is referred to the polling access method. This one refer to the select function, and this one is referred to the poll function. So select function is used whenever the primary device has something to send. So let's say this is in the same network. So in the same network, we have the primary device and we have the secondary device. So this primary device use the select function when it has something need to be sent to any device. Poll function is used whenever the primary device is ready to receive the data and it must ask poll each secondary device in turn if it has anything to send. So there are two functions that you need to remember. The first one, we have the select function. The second one, we have the poll function. Okay. Refer to this figure, we have the primary station and we have the secondary station. So those are in the same network and those can send or transmit the data or the message. So we will use the select function if the primary device want to send a data to any secondary devices in the same network. So it will send the select function to B. Primary want to send data to B, so it will send the select function to B. So B send back the acknowledgement, yes, I ready to receive the data. Then the primary will send the data and the B station will reply an acknowledgement to the primary. The data has been accepted. These are the process of transferring the data. The second situation here, we use the poll function. Okay, this poll function is used whenever the primary device is ready to receive the data. Okay, for example here, it asks each devices or each secondary devices in their network. Okay, let's say in this network, the secondary devices are A and B. So primary device send a poll message to A. Do you have any data to send? Then A will reply and AK none. Okay, there's no data. So it will send the poll to the B. Do you have data to send? So B say yes, I have the data. So B send the data to primary devices. So primary devices will send the acknowledgement that I already received your data to the station B. So this is how the process of secondary stations in the network want to send or transmit the message or the data or the frame to the network, go through the prime station. So the prime station will control the process of transmission the frame. Okay, in token passing method, the stations in a network are organized in the logical ring. So it uses the a ring topology. So a special packet called a token will circulate through the ring, and the possession of the token gives the station the right to access the channel and send the data. So every station is connected through a ring. So the topology is a ring, and the token will be passed to every devices in the network. If they have data that need to be submitted, so it use the token. And if they receive the data, so it based on the token. So the accessing right is based on the token. So it look like this one. Okay, logical ring and physical topology. Token will be passed around. And this one is dual ring. The token will be passed around to every devices in the network. This one is bus ring. It connect as a bus, but the process of sending the token is like a ring. This one is star ring. So if the question asks you to draw a physical ring, to draw a topology ring for the star ring, so you can draw like this one. Bus ring, something like this one, and this one is for the ring topology. So that's all for the multiple access method. Basically, we only cover on the random access method and the control access method. Under the random access method, we have the CSMA, and under control access method, we have the polling and token passing. Actually, we have several methods, but we do not cover in this course. So that's all for today, for this video. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.